Let's make Balkan style pizza. It's so good and it's packed with a lot of flavor. Combine your yeast, sugar, salt, and water and mix well, and then you're gonna add in your flour. Now, depending on where you are in the world, you might need a little more, but we don't want this to be a super tough dough. We just want it to come together and make sure that our bowl is nice and clean. Gently sprinkle a little flour on your surface and we're gonna begin to knead our dough. We're just gonna knead it until everything is well combined and we get a semi-even looking ball of dough. We're gonna let that rest for roughly 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna go in and knead the ball of dough again until we get a beautiful even surface. So there shouldn't be any rips or tears in your dough. Lightly grease your bowl, and then you're gonna also grease the top of your dough, and we're gonna let this double in size. It roughly takes about an hour. For my toppings, I'm using smoked beef, I'm using oregano, I'm gonna be using Gouda cheese because back home in the Balkans, they don't use mozzarella. We're gonna be using Gouda. It's packed with flavor and it's so much better. You can also use a mix of mozzarella and Gouda if you don't have a lot on hand. My kids prefer chicken bologna, or we call it chicken salami at home, so I'm gonna use that for the kids, and then we're using canned mushrooms. You're gonna make sure you take off that red wax on that Gouda and shred it. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees, and then separate your dough. I'm doing 4 small personal size pizzas. You can also do 2 medium size pizzas. I'm using my favorite marinara sauce to go on top, but trust me, the most basic tomato sauce will do, except for like ragu or prego. If you're cooking with that, please get out of the kitchen. We're just gonna place a little bit on top, and then we're gonna go in with our Gouda cheese, and then whatever you want. For my kids, they prefer just the Gouda and salami, and then for me, I'm doing everything. So I'm gonna be doing the Gouda, the mushrooms, a little bit of salami, and then the smoked beef on top. And we're gonna bake these at 500 degrees. We're not gonna open up the oven. You really want that oven to be nice and hot. Once they're out of the oven, I sprinkle with some dried oregano, and this wouldn't be a Balkan pizza without ketchup, of course. And if you haven't tried Balkan style ketchup, it's not like your traditional American ketchup. It's very sweet and gives the best flavor. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below.